I want to review the sound of the letters in Spanish. Here, I have this document to help you up with this. A little bigger. So in Spanish, we have 5 vowels, but we only have 5 vowel sounds. 5 vocales, 5 sonidos vocálicos. No hay A, E, I, O, U. Can you repeat that? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Don't get confused. E is the second letter, and then I is the third letter. So sometimes we get confused because we say I in English for that one, but in Spanish, A, E, I, O, U. One way for you to get to the sound, I mean, to really get the sound of the vowels in Spanish is by combining it with all the consonants. How do you do that? Okay, tenemos first consonant, B. How does B sound in Spanish? It sounds B. So what do you have to do? Put A, E, I, O, U. So ba, be, bi, bo, bu. Ba, be, bi, bo, bu. Okay? And then C, I'm skipping it because it's an exception. And then we go to D. That is de. And it sounds D in Spanish. Okay, D. So we had da, de, di, do, do. Da, de, di, do, do. Okay? And then we have F. F is F. F. Try to repeat this. Try to repeat this. So I'll give you the time so that you repeat. First, ba, be, bi, bo, bu. Okay, that was good. Then de, da, de, di, do, do. Muy bien. And then F, que suena fa, fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. Okay, muy bien. Honey, that's easy. Fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. Excelente. Then here is one secret. In Spanish, the H has no sound at all. The only time that you hear sound of the H is when it's combined with C, CH. And that's why we call it a new letter. But if you see the H in English, in Spanish, no sound. So here, it's only A, E, I, O, U, exactly the same as here on the top. So H, no sound. Okay. Oh, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. So Japanese vowels are the same as Spanish. Very good. Las vocales del japonés son las mismas. Perfecto. Then the sound of J, J. It's a bit confusing sometimes, okay? But the sound is similar, or you can do the same as the H in English, okay? Ha, he, ho, hu. You will hear Spanish people pronouncing it more to the back of the mouth, like ha, ha, he. No, but we don't do that. So we pronounce it just like the H in English. Ha, he, ho, hu. Your turn. Ha, he, ho, hu. Okay. Then ta, he, ki, ko, ku. You won't see that a lot in Spanish because we don't have many words using K in Spanish. It's not common. Then L. L in Spanish is completely open. L. La, le, li, lo, lu. And you say, ma, kind of the same in English. No, in English you go more lo, more close, okay? Lo. But in Spanish, la, le, li, lo, lu. Okay? And then M, m, ma, me, mi, mo, mu. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu. Perfect. Perfecto. Then na, ne, ni, no, nu. N. Na, ne, ni, no, nu. Perfecto. Este es el sonido nasal. Ña, ña. So ña, ñe, ñi, ño, ñu. Ña, ñe, ñi, ño, ñu. Excelente. And then pa, pe, pi, po, pu. Pa, pe, pi, po, pu. In Spanish, we only have two. I mean, Q is, you will only find Q in these combinations, two combinations, and they sound que, ki. que, he. So you would only find Q with UE and UI. Que, he. And here is the important sound. But how can we learn to roll the R? It's kind of simple if you use some exercises. The basic exercises to learn to roll the R are using consonant plus R plus vowel. And I will see this a little bit later. I will let you know. So first, ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Okay? No, no, ra. Ra. No, that's okay. In the beginning, it might be kind of difficult, but ra, re, ri, ro, ru. And then ese, sa, sa, se, si, so, su. Sa, se, si, so, su. Okay? And then te, ta, ta, te, ti, to, tu. Hmm, muy bien. And then v. I gotta make an observation here. In Spanish, we make no difference in sound ba or va. So one word that is like Victor is supposed to say Victor, va, va. But in Spanish, we say Victor or Victor, Victor or nah. Venezuela or Venezuela. That's fine. Honestly, that is to make us comfortable when pronouncing. But when writing, we have a problem because we say Victor or Victor, Victor. That we don't know. But this is kind of normal for us. Okay? So we say va, ve, vi, vo, vu. Or we say ba, be, bi, bo, bu. That's okay. Okay? W exists. La W existe en español, pero that's not a frequent letter. Okay? And then esta, okay, a ver, esta, okay. Ajá. Muy bien. Esta, la X, cuando está entre una palabra, normalmente suena, it sounds just like in English, máximo, máximo. But we have exceptions like Mexico. We don't say Mexico, although we have an X, it's Mexico. And when it's in the beginning of a word like xilófono, we pronounce it just like an S, xilófono. So we can say sa, se, si, so, su. S. Sa, se, si, so, su. Okay? Then we have this sound. This one is a bit challenging because some people, have been influenced by English. And then in English, what we say is yeah. We tend to say the same in Spanish. Everybody understands if you do. That's a good thing. If you say yeah instead of saying ja, everybody understands. But the real sound is ja, je, ji, jo, ju, like J in English. J, ja, je, ji, jo, ju. So you don't say yo, you say jo. Okay? Ja, je, ji, jo, ju. And then we have this sound, zeta, where if you are in Spain, you will hear people saying sa, se, si, so, su, like th in thing. But in Latin America, we pronounce it like an S. Sa, se, si, so, su. That's why we say zapatos, corazón. Although you have an S, a Z in there, we pronounce it sa. Okay, sa. Okay, then we have this one. These are the two consonants that have two possible sounds depending on the vowel they meet. Like, for example, this one, we say ka, ko, ku. But then with E, we say se, si. In total, we say ka, se, si, koku. Ka, se, si, koku. Okay? So no. Ka, se, si, koku. And the way to get the k in Spanish is this. Ka, ke, ki, koku. And notice that we are using QUE, QUI. Ka, ke, ki, koku. But this one here, ka, se, si, koku. Ka, se, si, koku. Okay, same with G. First is ga, go, gu. Ga, go, gu. All right? All right. What is confusing? What's confusing? Phonics. What's confusing you? Okay, to try to clarify, okay? What's confusing? What's confusing you? Okay. And okay, so what we are saying in here is that we have two sounds for the G. So we say ga, go, gu. But then with E and I, we say he, he. In total, ga, he, go, gu. Ga, he, go, gu. All right? And ga, he, go, gu. And then next one is, okay, this one is with a CH, just like in English. Cha, che, chi, cho, chu. Cha, che, chi, cho, chu. And here are just a couple of the sounds that I told you. And okay, this one, in some places you will hear people saying yeah, yo, you. And you understand. But the real sound is ja, je, ji, jo, ju. Then blending sound. This double R is you only have double R when it is between two vowels. So here is not correct to have double R like this. Only between two vowels we have it, okay? This one is blah, 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 blee, blah, blue. This is the sound that helps you with the rolling of the R. Bra, bra, bre, bri, bro, bru. Bra, bre, bri, bro, bru. Kla, kla, kle, kli, klo, klu. Tra, rolling the R. Tra, tre, kri, kro, kru. Okay? Dra, dre, dri, dro, dru. This is easy, soft. Fla, fle, fli, flo, flu. And then this one, fra, fre, fri, fro, fru. Saying it many times will help you with the rolling of the R. Fra, fre, fri, fro, fru. And then gla, gla, gle, gli, glo, glu. And this one, gra, gra, gre, gri, gro, gru. La, pla, ple, pli, plo, plu. Pla, pla, pre, pri, pro, pru. Rolling, right? And then tla, tle, tli, tlo, tlu. Tla, tle, tli, tlo, tlu. And finally, tra, tre, tri, tro, tru. Tra, tre, tri, tro, tru. Okay? Pretty good.